Hey, this is D. Thomas, live and direct. I am on the air. Um, really looking forward to showing you guys the supercomputer that has now been set up. Lots of stuff going on. Um, so we have this new setup, and it is designed to increase productivity in a safe environment. Okay, it's exclusively for data scientists, professionals. All right. Um, you will get your own web page login area when you create your own web page. You will get all of that stuff. So I'm just gonna just show you what it looks like for right now, and then we'll get into more details later. It's a no-brainer. I mean, you may find yourself somewhere out of town, you need to get to a computer, you need to be able to access certain documents, you need to be able to access R, you need to be able to log in without installing a bunch of stuff. You want to have backups of different things in case as a backup system in case anything crashes, and you want to have the latest technology available. So these are some of the reasons why, aside from having Bash alone uh, is reason enough to go for this. True Gold is not afraid of fire. We're not going to log into the supercomputer. Just a few steps. And voila. This is the supercomputer. It's a Jupyter Notebook. And within the Jupyter Notebook, we have um, different folders, a directory. So what we can do first is um, we can, inside Jupyter Notebook, work within the different programs and create different applications within the program. And so, uh, you know, this this is just one of the different things that we've been doing. Octave is another cool program. It's like your GNU licensed MATLAB, okay? And everybody knows the Matrix Laboratory. It's a very powerful uh, matrix mathematical programming language. It's probably equivalent to like an IML for SAS. So Octave is hugely important. There's lots of cool features to do in Octave. There's a 2D plot. Simply, there's the code for the 2D plot. Let's get into some other. So first of all, I can pull up a terminal from the terminal. I'm Jupyter, but I could call in Python at this point if I liked. Um, we can call in R. There's R. Okay. We can even call in Octave. There's Octave. All right. Um, And aside from that, I mean, I could start running a bunch of commands from here. I could even go into uh, administrative word. Actually, let me get out of this. I'm gonna close that for now. I'm gonna shut down that terminal. Um, I think one of the powerful things about this is I can create um, different applications in Python. Now, this is the Quantum Computer Python version of IBM QIS, the Quantum uh, Experience Program. I also have Python 2, Python 3, and R. I'm going to pull up R. I have a brand new code right there. Um, so it's actually a heading. And again, um, so what I've done is I've stored this little vector into X, and then I just printed X to get 1, 2, 3. I guess we probably could have done this another way as well. I could have probably did X to actually would that even work? Because now I'm storing this in there. I'm not even sure if that's gonna work or not. Yeah, it did. Let's see, this works as well. Now if we want to print Y, we can just create in a command to get Y. All right. So again, this is just a demo. If we wanted to create more headings, um, how you would get in touch with me about this particular program, as you saw, it works in just about any browser. Okay, if I were to pull up another browser like Firefox, Jupyter.mathematical.guru, yours would be something else. You would choose your own domain instead of Jupyter. Mathematical guru, and you'd come in here and log in, and you're back at it. All right. So this particular computer, it can be built on anything you want. It's a Ubuntu uh, software operating system, and it's fully loaded. I mean, we have quantum computer, classical, you name it. The D-Wave, which is the Canadian company that created the first quantum computer, and a lot of other demos based on it. There's even a lot of documentation on operating Octave. We'll probably get into some other softwares as well. But for now, this is the basic package. You can have this set up for about $5 a month. You pay one time $60, and you have your computer running with no worries. You have full access. You could log on into AWS where the instance is running, and have full access to everything you would want to do to your account. So this is one of our first products at Windy Analytics. Um, be sure to reach out If you have any other questions, you can contact me here at services@mathematical.guru. Take care.